Namaste, Hamesha Khush Raho. My name is Javian Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you Instron testing machine. Now let's start the topic. What is Instron? Instron is an ITW company and it is a manufacturer of testing equipments designed to evaluate the mechanical properties of materials and components such as universal testing machines. Together, they designed a material testing machine based on strain gauge, load cells, and servo control systems. And the instruments have regular calibration of testing instruments, preventing maintenance to extend the life of your investment, reducing the cost of ownership, minimizing downtime, developing user skills, streamlining testing processes. Then testing. Texture testing is a well-established technique for evaluating the mechanical and physical properties of raw ingredients, food structure and designs, and for pre and post quality control checks. Texture testing has applications across a wide range of food types, including baked goods, cereals, confectionaries, snacks, dairy foods, fruit, vegetables, gelatins, meat, poultry, fish, pasta, and even pet food. Since texture is a property related to sense of touch, it can be measured easily by mechanical methods in units such as pores. In food texture testing, standard tests such as compression, tension, and flexure are used to measure hardness, crispiness, crunchiness, softness, springiness, tackiness, and other properties of food. Comparing the results from mechanical texture analysis with trained human sensory panels has shown that measurements have a high correlation with the various sensory attributes associated with textural quality. This is the picture of Instron texture analyzer. This is the compression grip and this is the limit switch. In this is the load cell, tensile, and this is a motor. Then Instron texture analyzer. Instron texture analyzers test the crunchiness, gumminess, adhesiveness, cohesiveness, chewiness, and general texture of many smaller things from animal crackers to zucchini. Through time, texture analyzers have expanded their use to both research and development and quality control responsibilities. Additionally, they have branched out from food to other markets including cosmetics, small consumer packaged foods, goods, pharmaceuticals, and food packaging. Instron texture analyzers measure tensile strength and compressive strength of materials. Then texture analyzers are essentially very simple universal testing machines. Universal testing machines ranges in size and capability and can be large enough to test sections of transmission, pipeline and small enough to accurately test single strands of hair. Then universal testing machines also can be outfitted with a variety of grips, fixtures and various other accessories to accommodate near any testing situation desired. When compared to an average texture analyzer, a similarly sized universal testing machine is much more flexible and it is able to test higher strengths while still having class leading accuracy for more delicate materials. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video.